Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Code Academy. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create Twitter clone using the AI tool called as Bolt.new. So if you haven't signed up for this Bolt.new AI tool, I would recommend you to sign up for this using your email ID. I have already signed up, so I have just automatically logged in for this Bolt.new. Here there is chat window where I will mention my prompt as create X, which is formerly known as Twitter, using Angular. While adding the prompt, I have made one mistake where I'm saying create Twitter website using Angular, which is formerly known as X, but it should be reversed. But that is the beauty of AI tool. They understand the context pretty well and they actually get what we are trying to convey to the tool. So automatically it will try to create the Twitter clone. So I don't have to worry about this small mistake that I have done while giving the prompt. So here on the left hand side you can see there is this window, chat window, where you have the text input where you can add more prompts to the existing project. On the right hand side you can see the code being generated on the runtime, and on the bottom section you can see the terminal where the commands are getting fired. Also you will get the idea what are the things being added in the project in the left hand side window. And in the right hand side there are two sections, code and preview. So right now it has automatically ran the command ng serve, and currently it is in building phase. If there are any errors, so it will throw the errors and it will also give you a chance to fix it automatically. But let's see whether there are any errors or not. If you click on preview, we should be able to see the website. So here now it is completely built, so we should be able to see the preview on the right hand side. So I'm clicking on preview, it's still loading, and once loading completes we should be able to see the Twitter. So right now we haven't added any refined prompt to this chat window, so it will try to create the basic application first, but I will tell you how we can improve the user experience. So here we can see the basic outlet of Twitter where there is this chat box where we can enter the information and we can tweet. So as soon as I started writing this, you can see the tweet button is enabled. Here I am mentioning hi, how are you, and welcome to Quick Code Academy, which is the channel name of this YouTube channel. And once this is complete, I will try to click on tweet. So as you can see, it is getting added to the below list, and here I will show you previewing it in the larger window as well. So here also I will say hi everyone, and I will tweet it, and it is getting added. Okay, so there are like and comment option as well. So whenever we click on like, it should increment it. So if you click on open it in Stackblade, so from there also you can download this project if you just want this template. Okay, so here you can click and the zip file will be downloaded, and you can extract that file and run it in your local. You just have to fire two commands. First is npm install, the second one is npm start. Okay, so this look and feel is very basic and primitive level. So I will mention in the prompt like improve the user experience and look and feel of the website, because whatever the AI has generated right now, though it is working properly, but the UX seems to be very preliminary level. So what I will do, I will just add the prompt as improve user experience and look and feel. So as soon as I mention this and hit enter, it will start reconstructing the files, and on the runtime, since it is updating the packet.json, so we might see few errors in the terminal, but we don't have to worry about that. We have to wait till it runs the ngserve command, and after running that command, if there are any errors, we will solve those using this attempt fix button. But till that time we have to just wait and see whether we are getting any errors or not. On the left hand side you can see what are the files being updated. So you can see some files like tweet.model.ts is being updated, component.ts file is getting updated. So you can see on the real time, and I am creating this is completely unedited video, so that you should be able to understand what are the challenges we face during a development using AI tool, and how quickly we can build something like Twitter. Okay, so now it is running this npm start command and ngserve command, and it will again start building the project. And after that, if we get any errors, then we can click on attempt fix, but if you don't get, then there is no need to click on attempt fix. And once this is completes, we should be able to see the output using preview. So let's just wait for few more seconds, and we should be able to see the much more improved user experience. So here we can see 2 users, and automatically this tool has added the avatars which we haven't specified. Still on its own it has added. We can see the side navigation on the left hand side, on the right hand side we can see the trends, and in the middle section we can see the place to tweet. Okay, so here I mentioned, hi everyone, welcome to Quick Code Academy. Here we have this option as comment, then retweet, then also we have like also. So this looks cool, and if you want to add more functionalities, we can go on to that chat window and we can specify more things. So here let's click on the OpenStack Blades, and from here you can download the zip file and run it in local. So there is a download button on the previous window as well, but I would recommend download from the Stack Blades, because I saw the size differences there. On Stack Blades the size difference is less, like the size is less. Okay, so here on the larger window also it looks cool. Also it is quite responsive. If you want to make it more responsive, again we can go back to the chat and we can mention to make it more responsive, but at this stage to me it looks very good. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I have already made videos on AI, like I have previously created the Netflix clone, food delivery app, and the parking management system also using this AI tool. So if you want to check those video out, you can check in the video section of my channel. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.